bubbles are formed. The air bubbles which are formed, which shows the presence of CO2. Here we have taken discrete in the presence
In the replacement of
alcohol. The reaction alkene and water which releases CO2 and the air bubbles formed shows the presence of CO2.
It also explains the concept of thermodynamics as the heat is released during this reaction.
Nice.
So next we have our physics project which is based on law of conservation of linear momentum. Yeah, if we displace one of the ball, the other one also displaces itself. It is based on the ideal concept like in vacuum these three of the balls stay constant, but due to friction and due to air friction and external forces, many external forces, this is now not working. But in ideal vacuum condition, these three balls stay stable, and whenever we apply external force, the last one only displaces itself with the same velocity, and the masses we have taken constant. So it proves the law of conservation of linear momentum. Hence, the mass of the initial mass at velocity is always equal to the final mass and velocity in vacuum condition.
Endomembrane system consists of four components: lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and vacuole. Endoplasmic reticulum consists of two components that are in intracellular space. It consists of two components, luminal and external luminal. Endoplasmic reticulum, which bears lysosomes, are known as rough endoplasmic reticulum, and which does not bear lysosomes are known as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum help in the formation of protein synthesis, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the formation of lipids. And we have Golgi apparatus, which are the organelles from which lysosomes are formed. It helps in the production of glycolipid and glycoprotein. Lysosomes are the vesicles organelles which are formed by the Golgi apparatus, and lysosomes have hydrolytic enzymes. And vacuole contains 90% of the plant cell, and it has an outer covering which is known as chloroplast. And the material produced from Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes are stored in vacuoles in the temporary period.
Thank you very much.
We are from class 11. Today we will going to explain the evolution of atomic structure. So J.J. Thomson was the first one who gave the first atomic model. So according to him, the positively charged particles were evenly spread throughout the atom, while the negatively charged particles called the electron were just embedded into it. But as this model had very drawbacks, and hence it was declined. Now coming to Heinrich Rutherford, he explained by his cold point theory that electrons and protons are not embedded in the atom, but they are placed in the center. Protons are placed and revolving electrons are there. But as this model was not able to explain why electrons are not falling into the nucleus, therefore this model was also rejected. Now comes Bohr. Bohr said that the positively charged particle is located in the nucleus, and the negatively charged particles revolves around it in fixed orbits. Like if we provide them energy, they are going to jump to the higher level of energy, and if